Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a detail video to show you how the easy-stow PIT with powered rotation option works in the rear of a crew cab pickup truck, in this particular case a Ford F-Series, to get a wheelchair or a folding power wheelchair out of the rear, navigate around the door, and down to the ground. It is a detail video, so make sure that you check out the other videos in the notes field down below to get much more information about this product. So our first step here is going to go out, but you'll notice that we've got an additional motion here where we can actually rotate that top bar right around the corner, navigating around that door, and deliver it right to a nice, easy location for manipulation, especially with the larger power chairs. So our next step is going to be bring the wheelchair down, disconnect the docking device, and remember that we've got literally dozens of different types of docking devices, and we surely will have one for your chair, and if we don't, we'll create it. Now we go up and in, move the unit in, and rotate back. And the great news is the way this unit is designed, there is no drilling. And when you get it all the way in, let's say you wanted to use the seats in the back of the vehicle, you can undo the wing nuts that are holding the mast up, disconnect the power, and take the unit off, fold the rear seats down, and have a normal seating capacity with no intrusion into the legroom. So that's another great feature. So again, this is a detail video. Do check out the other videos in the notes field down below, follow us on, like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun, Twitter at accessun, Instagram Access Unlimited, and we're also on Pinterest as Access Unlimited, 2 words. Contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com or give us a call at 607-669-4822. That's Eastern Standard Time in the United States, country code 1. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you like what you've seen. Check out the other videos and have a great day.